Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic AI video with sound and motion using Sora 2 for free without invitation code and without a VPN. Okay, let's get into it, guys. If you want to access Sora 2 for free, I recommend you to visit this website, sora2.cloud, and then you can sign up to this website with your Google account, and then you will get 10 credits for free, and you can use the credit to generate any video that you want. And if you want to earn more credits, you can share the invite link to your friend, and after that you will get 10 credits per sign up. And as you can see, I have earned 20 credits from inviting my friends. Well, actually not my friends, but my other accounts, and my other Google accounts. And here, guys, if you want to generate a video, you just need to add the prompt here, and then you can attach image if you want, but you can skip this step and choose the duration and choose the orientation and generate a video. And these are the
I swear this is the same tree we passed an hour ago.
I have generated using Sora 2.
The bark's different. Just keep moving. We're going in circles, Jay.
Yeah, that's so cool. Okay, and just remember, you can copy the invite link and share it to your friends if you want to get free credits. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create realistic AI video with Sora 2 for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!